All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're going to do an update video on the Milwaukee. All right, in case you don't know, Milwaukee has come out with a line of ratchets. Now, it's part of their hand tool line and they have a 100% lifetime guarantee. Hassle-free, you just send them a message and they will send you a new tool. So they've come out with long 1/2 inch, long 3/8, long 1/4 inch, and stubby 3/8 drive. All right, so I've been using these tools for a while and I've got some thoughts on them. All right, so disclaimer, I actually don't own, other than these Milwaukees and some stuff from Astro, straight handled ratchets. Everything I've got is flex head, other than some old stuff, old rotary head Craftsman that I never use. But anyway, so I've been using these a good bit. This and the 3/8, the 1/2 inch and the 3/8 have been something I've been using a bunch. Oil changes, various sockets, turning cranks over with the 1/2 inch, stuff like that. So I've gotten a good bit of seat time on them. So give you my thoughts on them. So first things first, the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch had a little bit of new manufacturer issue kind of thing, where they didn't want to change direction. And simply using the tool took care of that. Now they switch directions fine. It just was a weird thing about the tool when it first got them. They since have kind of broken in, I guess. Other than that, they've been great. Now, my only dislike of them is 100% personal preference, and that's the handles. Now, they're not bad handles. They are entirely usable. Now, I've got big hands, and even on the 1/2 inch, they're kind of small. You know, the 3/8 is, you know, minuscule in my hand. The 1/4 inch is just laughable. My personal preference is oversized grips. That's why I like the Matcos. But a lot of people really do like these hard handle chrome, and you know, for those, these are just perfect. Obviously, very fine teeth. I believe they're 90 tooth if I remember right. They're really fine teeth, very low swing. They're definitely a great ratchet in general. Like I said, the only issue I have is the handles. I got big hands and, you know, they look a little small in my hand, you know what I'm saying? But I forgot how useful a non-flex head was because I don't own any. And other than my Matcos that are locking, I tend to, you know, keep them flex head. So come in very handy. Don't have to worry, especially turning cranks. With a flex head, it can start to wobble a little bit, you know, just because of weight and whatever, and want to tip off. These tend to stay on great, so I've really enjoyed those for turning cranks over. So I hope you enjoyed the update on the Milwaukee ratchets. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.